Hi, this is Ty Hyderali. I'm a plaintiff's lawyer with offices in Montclair and New York, and we concentrate in the area of employment law. I want to discuss with you a very interesting case that is hotly was debated before the New Jersey Supreme Court. It was in the case of Delanoy versus Ocean Township Police Department. And Kathleen Delanoy is a police officer who argued a case that had to do with pregnancy discrimination implications. So Kathleen was pregnant and requested accommodation because of her pregnancy. So the Ocean Township Police Department has a policy under their maternity policy standard operating procedures that says if you are pregnant and you require accommodation such as light duty, you first have to use all your paid leave before you can get any light duty. Whereas if you have a disability that's not a pregnancy, you don't have to use all your paid leave. And so Officer Delanoy argued that this is a discriminatory policy and violated the New Jersey law against discrimination. Well, the court below unfortunately ruled in favor of Ocean Township, but hooray for the Appellate Division. They came in, saved the day for Officer Delanoy and ruled that no, that this was a violation of the Pregnancy Fairness Act, which is an amendment to the New Jersey law against discrimination, and said, you can't do this, Ocean Township. You can't have one policy that favors people who have a disability that's not pregnancy related and have another policy that's lesser for people who are pregnant. That if you're pregnant, you have to be given the same benefits that you would if you were disabled. Otherwise, it's a per se violation of the New Jersey law against discrimination. And the appellate court said declaratory judgment should be found in favor of Officer Delanoy because of that. Well, that has gone up now to the Supreme Court, where the New Jersey Supreme Court is hearing opinions as to how they should rule. They also dealt with another interesting point, which is Officer Delanoy argued that she shouldn't have to wear a gun because she was concerned about lead and its impact on the baby and the fetus. And the township argued that this was an unreasonable request for accommodation. The officer's response to that was, well, you didn't get into any discussion, any interactive dialogue with me about the reasonable accommodation. So that also is being bandied about at the New Jersey Supreme Court. So we'll be very interested to see what the court rules in this case. This is Ty Hyderali. Be safe and be well.